Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of January, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.83. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, recording a gain of 0.09%. This results in an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further upward movement. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals an anticipated change of approximately 3.92% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.32% to 9.14%. In terms of the 12-month outlook, it suggests a change of around 22.11% over the coming year, with potential returns between 12.92% and 28.62%. This indicates a projected price range of $589.77 to $671.76 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF includes the headline, QQQ ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The price of the QQQ ETF experienced a decline of 0.145% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 31st of January 2025, dropping from $523.05 to $522.29. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.98%, hitting a low of $521.19 and a high of $531.52. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.8% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased by 12 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk in the coming days. In total, 38 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $20 billion and $40 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $539.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price stands at 3.13%, or $16.86, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding QQQ are highlighting noteworthy volatility and opportunity in the tech sector. On the 27th of January, QQQ experienced a sharp decline, down 3.1%, as major tech stocks like Amazon, Meta, and Apple faced significant sell-offs. This decline raises concerns about investor sentiment in the face of uncertainty introduced by political changes and global competition in artificial intelligence, notably stirred by China's DeepSeek AI. The fears triggered by DeepSeek's advancements have prompted a broader tech sell-off, potentially impacting the short-term performance of QQQ. However, the heightened volatility may benefit covered call exchange-traded funds by enhancing option premiums, offering attractive income streams for dividend investors in the current market climate. Moreover, there's an observed resilience in growth investing. Analysts suggest that while QQQ has historically delivered superior returns compared to the S&P 500, the concentration of funds in tech stocks carries inherent risks. Diversification strategies are being recommended to balance this risk, especially amidst elevated valuations. Looking ahead as the tech sector prepares for fourth-quarter earnings reports, any positive momentum could reinvigorate investor confidence. Long-term, the ability of QQQ to maintain performance will depend on continued innovation and effective risk management in the face of shifting market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, indicating a positive forecast. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $523.49. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $521.04. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and thus far, the ETF has decreased by 1.94%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 99 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF moved $10.33 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.98%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, there is the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a lack of optimism regarding the company's future prospects or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $522.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $504.93, which represents a decline of 3.32%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top observed 6 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a worthwhile investment? The QQQ ETF presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation for this ETF from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and trading activity from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we anticipate that the QQQ will open up by $2.71, beginning trading at $525. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.